you have any of these in your fridge. Do you batch cook sweet potatoes and then not quite sure what to do with them? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn these into an amazing, delicious, creamy pasta sauce. Okay, so now we have a nice thick texture, but it's very smooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some fresh rosemary. I'm going to strip the leaves and get them in there and just pulse it through. So we're not blending it fully, we're just pulsing through the leaves. And then I'm going to add it into my pot to warm it up, and then I'll show you the pasta when it's cooked. Hey guys, I have a bit of a mess here, but I wanted to show you this finished pasta. And here's that sweet potato sauce. You can see the flecks of rosemary in there. And now what I'm going to do is add a couple of things to just pack some veg in here. So first off, I have some yellow zucchini ribbons. So I showed this once before, I think last summer. I just use a vegetable peeler, make some ribbons. I like to use the yellow zucchini because they're just kind of bright and vibrant, and just mix that in to your pasta that's hot. So you don't need to cook it, just mix it in while the pasta's hot, and the heat from the pasta will just soften that zucchini because it's so thin, it really doesn't need to be cooked. And then I also blanched some broccoli. Now, you do want to blanch the broccoli because if you put it in raw, it doesn't really cook through very well. So just blanch it a couple of minutes and then take it out. And then we can add as much broccoli as you want. You don't have to use, all of it. You have some blanched, you can use it for something else, and mix that on through. And then you've got extra veg in your sweet potato pasta sauce. And tonight I'm again using this Brami pasta. So I love this one because again, it doesn't fall apart. It's a high protein pasta made with lupini beans. And here it is here. So it's got, well, it probably says on the front, 21 grams of protein per serving. So it is wheat and the lupini bean. It's not just the bean itself. And that's why I think it keeps its structure, but it has a lot of protein and the texture is beautiful. It's delicious. So I'm serving this with some roasted chickpeas. So the pasta along with the broccoli and the roasted chickpeas, it's going to be really high in protein and of course delicious. So if you want the recipe for the sweet potato sauce, comment sauce and we'll send that to your DMs. And then I think this is on Amazon. So if you want the link to the Brami, just comment pasta and we'll get that link out to you. And yeah, give this a try and let me know what you think.